All right, man. Welcome to Crow 777 Radio. This is a bumper for episode 525. Jason Lindgren is with me, and Rudolph Winan joins us, and we're going to cover sound, audio. It's mystical, it's foundational, it's real. And one of the things we cover is the correspondence of the 432 cycles per second or hertz rate to prove out a year or a day as an example. Hour one is free to everybody at crow777radio.com. That is CRROW777radio.com. Members know to log in for the full episode, and they get access to the forums, comments under every episode, and the 2-hour film called Shoot the Moon that covers all my telescope work. And with that, I hope to see you all logged in as members over at Crow 777 Radio, and I would like to wish you all a happy, healthy, and higher-minded new era. Cheers.